you see them this evening? I'm pretty sure I'm surrounded by fairies, and so I'm going to read you a poem called "The Fairy Repairs Her Wings." This fairy is a very naughty and adventurous fairy, and the poem is written by Janz Taylor, an American poet. The Fairy Repairs Her Wings. Snip, snip, pull, pull. Slowly she threads the new silvery swatches through. This way, that way, cobweb thin. She had ventured too far beyond the fairy ring. Even though she had been warned, nay, nay, not there. There are beasts past the wooded edge. Do not follow the gleam of light from where the creatures too large to imagine roam. She had dropped off the world. Like old antique map sea monsters, framing the four corners of the globe. What art thou thinking? To go again? She tests the strength. For the fragile wings and smiles. Ah, just so, just so. Naughty and adventurous fairy. She gets into many, many problems, I'm sure. I'd like to thank my friend and mentor, Janz Taylor, and send her lots of Christmas cheer. Thank you, dear Mim. Thank you for allowing me to read your poem this evening.